In this problem, we're going to use the properties of right triangles to help us find the area of a shaded region. We'd like to find the area of the shaded region. It's enclosed in a semicircle of diameter 8 centimeters. The length of the chord AB is 6 centimeters. And we're given the hint that triangle ABC is a right triangle. We'll start with a smaller picture. We can find the area of this shaded region by subtracting the area of the triangle from the area of the semicircle. Since we're told the triangle ABC is a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the missing length, which would be the length of side A. And we'd like to do that because since this is a right triangle, we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And in our right triangle, the base would be the length of side A, and the height will be 6 units. So using the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we'll have a squared plus 6 squared equals 8 squared. Since the diameter of the semicircle makes up the hypotenuse of our right triangle, this gives us that a squared will equal 64 minus 36, or a squared is equal to 28. Take the square root of both sides using the positive square root. A is equal to the square root of 28. We can simplify this radical down to 2 times the square root of 7. So the base of our right triangle will be 2 times the square root of 7 units. The area of the triangle, 1/2 base times height, is then 1/2 times 2 root 7 times 6, which is equal to 6 times the square root of 7 square centimeters. The area of the semicircle, we'll denote that by an S, A sub S for semicircle. The area of the semicircle is 1/2 the area of a circle, so 1/2 pi r squared. So we get 1/2 pi. The radius is half the diameter, so the radius will be 4 units. So 1/2 pi times 4 squared will give us 8 pi square centimeters. To find the area of the shaded region then, we'll subtract the area of our triangle. We'll call that a sub t. From the area of the semicircle, a sub s. So our desired area will be a sub s minus a sub t, which is 8 pi minus 6 times the square root of 7, which is approximately 9.26 square centimeters, or we can write centimeters squared. So the area of the shaded region is roughly 9.26 square centimeters.